Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tabs using Google Chrome. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to download the Chrome app on our phone. Once you do, you're going to see all your tabs that you have open. I'm going to tap right here on done just to show you how it would normally look like. Here is where you can normally see your normal Google, your normal Chrome, but if you want to open up your tabs, you're going to tap right here on this little icon at the bottom right where it says 2. You're going to see the number of tabs that you have open. Now, there is a way for you to group these apps, and I'm going to show you how. What you're going to do is you're going to select Edit, select Tabs. You're going to select the tabs that you want or need, and then you're going to tap on Add Tabs to New Group. Now here you can name your group whatever you want, so maybe social media, or if it's for work, and you can also give your tabs a color. So I'm going to give them blue. Now I'm going to tap on Create Group, and now all my tabs are going to be organized in that category, so I don't have a million of different apps open at the same time on my browser. Once you're done, simply tap on done, and that's it. Now you can see all your tab groups on your phone. You can create as many as you want, and that's a really great way to keep your phone organized.